Hello, this is Jyoti Pancholi and welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, I'm going to tell you about Neem Ayu, which is an Ayurvedic product which will stop your hair fall and grow new hair and make your hair healthier and stronger. So keep watching this video for more.
Sunshine, blue skies, gotta cry. Needing some booze to cross crying.
But this is not enough to reduce your hair fall. You need to take these capsules. How you need to take this capsule anytime after your breakfast or after your dinner. This is how it looks. It's a beautiful golden colored capsule. Let me quickly tell you about all the products. Neemayu anti-hairfall shampoo is free from parabens, mineral oil, artificial colors and flavors. It is absolutely Ayurvedic. Now this bottle will cost you 1,000 rupees. The Neem Ayu anti-hairfall oil will cost you around 699, and it is free from mineral oil and artificial colors. Not to forget the Neem Ayu anti-hair fall capsules. These are all natural capsules. My hair fall has really reduced, especially in the monsoon. I have a lot of hair fall, but uh, since I've been using Neemayu, hair fall काफी कम है, and my hair is more bouncier and shiny. It is not that dry, dull hair I used to have, and there is new hair growth too. For best result, you need to use the Neem Ayu anti-hair fall hair oil twice a week and leave it for 6 to 8 hours. After that, wash your hair next morning or after 6 to 8 hours with the Neem Ayu anti-hair fall shampoo. With this, you also need to have the Neem Ayu anti-hair fall capsule every morning or night before you sleep with a cup of milk or water. And Neem Ayu gives you a money back guarantee. Guaranteed result, no hair fall and new hair growth in just 28 days. I have controlled my hair fall so much. In fact, there is no hair fall at all, and my hair is more silkier, more bouncier, and more healthier. And this happened in just 28 days, so you must try this kit. Neemayu is an Ayurvedic anti-hair fall kit which will solve your hair fall solution and grow new hair and improve your hair, in fact make your hair healthier in just 28 days. If it doesn't, the company gives a money back guarantee without any questions asked. So that's all in today's video. Thank you for watching and do subscribe for more. Don't forget to see the description for the purchase link and the coupon code. Thank you.